y'all, welcome back. This is Christy from Heritage Soap. Today I'm going to be making Hibiscus Guava. That's the fragrance we're using today. This is all my butters and hard oils. It's all blended together. Ready to go. This is my light water solution that I have with Tessa silk, salt, sea salt, and sugar added. Now, a lot of people ask me, why do you add salt? Why do you add sea salt or sodium lactate? That is to create a harder bar of soap. And they say, well, why do you add sugar? Well, you add sugar because sugar creates more bubbles. Salt creates a harder bar. Sugar creates more bubbles. So if that makes sense to you, and I know it does you soap makers out there, but the people who it doesn't know why that happens or why you add it, that's why we add it. I also have a little bit of aloe, liquid aloe in here also. So I'm going to test my temps. Remember, if you're making soap, research for yourself. These are not meant to be tutorials. They're meant to be inspirational videos for other soap makers and for people who also buy from me and people who just wants to watch soap making and get inspiration. Always wear gloves, goggles, apron if you have one, and long sleeves. Okay, so my oils are at 91 and my live water solution's at 99. So I'm gonna burp the alright. Sorry if I put that in your way. Alright, just watch the change of the soap when it combines with the live water. You want to bring this, you want to emulsify it. You're emulsifying your oils. It goes to the emulsification stage. Then trace. Trace is next. Trace comes in different stages. You have a light trace. You have a very, very light trace, and then you have medium trace and heavy trace. And I'll talk more about that in another video. I may do a tutorial one day if I ever can just sit down. I don't want to be making soap, because when you're making soap, you're having to think about what you're doing. When you're also teaching somebody, you have to think about what you're doing and saying. You don't want to lead anybody in the wrong direction. But, you know, reading books is one of the best ways, actually, to learn how to make soap and understand everything. So that might be later on for the people who's interested. I haven't added my fragrance or my colorants in yet, so I'm fixing to do that now. And I'm thinking of doing in the pot swirl. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm going to get all my bowls here so that you can see everything. I think all that's in the shot of the camera. Okay, so I'm going to mix all my colorants in. Let me put everything divided out. And I'm going to do it in the pot swirl, because you never know what kind of color you're going to get when you have in the pot swirl. You never know what's going to become of it. Okay, so see, all this is just the plain soap. Nothing added yet into the soap. This is yellow. It's yellow lemon chiffon mica. We'll get them all mixed in. I may speed the video up. I think I asked this in the last two videos, or last 3 videos. Do y'all like seeing full videos of me talking and taking time? Or do you like seeing videos that are like has music and are sped up, like so which one? What's your favorite? I'm just kind of curious. I don't know which one people would rather watch. I don't know what's going on with that lemon chiffon over there, which is my base color. But I can tell you that it is, to me, acting crazy. What I call acting crazy. Because it turned an orangey color. Now, not too far off from that, but it may go back. After some colors, after they set for a little while, they'll go back to the color they're supposed to be. Okay, oops. Let's add in. Go ahead and add our colors in. Now, I keep a small whisk on hand when I mix in, because sometimes when it starts getting thick, it's okay. You can whisk some of that out. Okay, so I tried to use the colors. My grandmother had a hibiscus bush, and when it would bloom out, they were either red or this color pink. Matter of fact, kind of weird, because I've never used that color. That's why I said that's kind of weird. Okay, so then I'm pouring this really high because it's starting to really set. Really setting up on me. I'm bad about mixing my soaps too much with a stick blender. I'm terrible about that. I tried to make it the colors that I thought of when I thought of guava and hibiscus. So anyway, and I think it's a beautiful color blend, but I'm not sure how it's going to play out. Okay, so I'm going to take my spatula and I'm just going to turn it once, turn it twice, and turn it like in the middle a couple of times. Okay, that's all I'm going to do. And I'm leaving it alone. Leaving it alone. Because now we're getting our mold. We're getting our mold out. And I'm going to start pouring in the mold. I hope this turns out pretty. We will see. We will see. We will see at the end of this video, actually, because I'm going to bring you back and let you see how it turned out. And see how it got so thick and so that I just about didn't get it all out. Okay, I'm just going to get the rest of this off. Now, okay, so I'm going to bang this down. You know how I always do. Bang it down. I'm going to smack the heck out of it because you want to get all this air out of there, okay? And just be right back. I'm just going to the floor. You guys can probably see me. Hello? Anyway, so you're going to smack it down. And we're back. Alright, I'm going to try to get you closer if I can. Okay, so I think that's pretty close. Alright, so I've got all this extra soap left over, okay? So what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to get my spatula, and I'm going to start scraping what I've got left over in to the middle area and to, you know, down through the log of the soap until it's all out. And I don't waste any soap. Use every bit of it. The oils in this soap is too expensive to waste, and they're too good to waste. So you don't want to waste them. We always have coconut, shea cocoa butter, sweet almond, and all of our soaps. A lot of our soaps, including this one, has argan oil, and argan oil is very expensive. You know, and you don't have to have fancy oils to make soap. if you're at home, you know, you can make soap just out of olive oil. That's called a Castile soap. It's very moisturizing to the skin, but it's it makes a very soft bar at first, but when when it's cured out, it is so hard. It's one of the hardest bars of soap, and so mild on the skin. You can use it on baby's skin. Okay, all right, so let me clean up just a bit. Let me clean up my edges. This is my little tool. I said it's my mystery tool in a couple videos. I don't know what that thing is. I wish somebody would tell me. I don't even know, like I said, where I got it from. Maybe if I put it up here, y'all can see it a little better. Anyway, this thing has been, like, I have to have this when I make soap. It's just no way around it. Perfect for cleaning up on the side of my soap like that. Okay, so I'm just going to take my little bartending spoon and go down through here, and I'm just going to texture this top like this. And of course, we always spray them down a little bit with rubbing alcohol. And what that does is it helps to prevent soda ash from sitting up on the soap when it's going through its chemical process. So here is the soap that I just made. I'm going to run the camera down so that you can see up close what it looks like. And I'll be right back for the cutting video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, here I'm back. I'm just going to show you the tops of the soap. Okay everybody, this is day 2. I'm fixing to slice this soap up. I'm going to go ahead and slice the end piece off. Get that out of the way. I usually bag these up. Actually, it's turning out really pretty. I bag these up and sell them as a bag of soap. And usually put about a pound or half a pound to a bag of soap. Alright, it's just turned out very pretty. It looks very marbled. I hope y'all can see that, and the lighting's good. Okay. Alright. And I'm going to show you the back of the soap, or the bottom of the soap. That's really pretty. There's the side of the soap. See how pretty it is? And there's the bottom. See how it comes out? But I'm going to quickly go through these. I'm going to speed the video up and let you see each and every bar. And thank you for watching the video. I'll hope to start posting videos at least once a week, maybe every other week. So y'all keep watching, share my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.